Today we're opening Destined Rivals. I got 6 of the packs at GameStop and received this Zapdos with the stamp. I also picked up this booster bundle and 2 prize packs from my LGS. I plan to upload more often, but I've been quite busy with our newborn. Things are going well, and let's hope to pull some great cards. This is my first time opening Destined Rivals. I'll be enjoying every card, and I plan to upload quite a few Destined Rivals videos and more in the near future. I really like this set. I think there are around 30 cards I'd like to add to my collection. I haven't decided if I'm going to collect the master set, but I am considering it. Starting out with the Water Energy, Arvin's Smashift, Dolph, Cynthia's Gabite, Ethan's Quilava, Team Rocket's Giovanni, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Fortress, Torchic Reverse Holo, Team Rocket's Transceiver, and a Crustle. The top cards in the set that I'm chasing are Mewtwo, Ho-Oh, Moltres, Nidoking, Psyduck, and Lapras, but there are many others that I'd be super happy to pull. Meowth, Staryu, Pinsir, Sacred Ash, Hypno, Dolph, Porygon Reverse, and an Arbalava EX. I don't know, cool card either way. From what I've seen on YouTube, it seems that the pull rates are pretty good, and that makes me hopeful for this opening and ones in the future. Baltoy, Sudowoodo, Scovit, Claydol, Ariana, Floatzel, Nosepass, Mareep Reverse, and an Articuno. It's a pretty nice card for just a regular rare. I'd love to hear from you about what cards you're looking to pull, or maybe already pulled from this set. Beldum, Citadel, Pichu, Yanma, Milotic, Rocket's Factory, Hippowdon Reverse, Powerweight Reverse, and an Annihilate. I went to a card show over the weekend and saw quite a few Destined Rivals cards and packs, but the prices were just too high in my opinion. Packs were all quite expensive, but most singles were priced pretty well for other expansions. Pinsir, Barascrata, Proton, Grimer Reverse, Settle, and Grimmsnarl EX. Another hit. Looking for some illustration rares, but we'll take it. It was nice to see 151 singles dropped in price, so I traded for the full art Blastoise, special illustration rare Alakazam, and Zapdos. I still have quite a few packs of 151 to open, but those are all cards I'd be cool with having duplicates of anyways. Matang, Primeape Reverse, Raticate Reverse, and a Zamazenta. I'm so excited to bring our son to card shows and enjoy the hobby with him in the future. We did take him to release night for Destined Rivals, but they were all sold out of packs. That's where we did get the 2 prize packs though. Scraggy, Mudbray, Breloom, Botherbot, Milotic, Factory, Liepard Reverse, Squawkabilly Reverse, and a Gorbis. All the big box stores have raised their prices around here. GameStop is charging around $9 a pack, and Walmart is actually more expensive at around $10 a pack. Yet they are charging $7 a pack for Journey Together, which is less than when it was released, so it's weird how that works. Nidoran, Houndour, Manetrick, Factory, Ogerpon, Shroomish Reverse, Skarmory Reverse, and another Crustle. I've been wanting to make a video showcasing my collection after starting just over a few months ago. Let me know in the comments if that's a video you'd like to see, or if you have any other ideas for me. Snover, Hippopotas, Ekans, Combuskin, Lurantis, Transceiver, Wheezing, Zerora, and Misty's Lapras. Let's go. And a Hydrapple. But that Misty's Lapras card is super nice. It's one of the ones that I'd really like to have. The other Misty's card, the Psyduck, would be really cool to have too. But I like that beach aesthetic. Sleeve that up. That's a great pull. Like I said, there's a lot of cards that I would really like to have in this set, so. And that looks like it's in pretty good condition too. Maybe send that off to get graded. That could be a cool video. I've heard that Costco should be getting prismatic evolutions and some more blooming waters. I hope I get my hands on a few of those to stock up for even more openings. I still haven't opened any prismatic and would like to at least once. Rellor, Grimer, Sacred Ash, Hypno, Arbok, Ekans Reverse, Baltoy Reverse, and a Sneasel. I do still have quite a few packs to open for future videos, so definitely subscribe if you'd like to see those. I am busy, like I said, but we are getting into a routine with the baby, and I hope to start recording more very soon. Got the Leaf Energy, a Smoliv, Torchic, Rotom, Nidoran, Transceiver, Weezing, Mudbray, Reverse, and an Ampharos, and Team Rocket's Murkrow. That's a very nice card, and an Annihilate. Can't say that I'm the biggest Murkrow fan by any means, but that is a really nice card. Colors on it are nice. Seems to be centered quite well. Doesn't look like there's any damage to it, so that could potentially be a card that we send to get graded someday. I would like to do a video where I do a bunch of cards at some point, but it's not something that I have ever done, and I honestly can't say I'm the biggest fan of slabbing cards. I like to be able to put them in my binder or take them out and actually look at them, enjoy them. And I'd hate if I got a really low grade. Got the Metal Energy, Smoliv, Torchic again, Rotom, Nidoran, Liepard, Pinsir, and a Huntail, Ogerpon Reverse, Snover Reverse, and a Gorbis. I got these prize packs at my local game shop on the release night of Destined Rivals. We took the little guy there. He was only 3 weeks old or so, and he got a pack and I got a pack, and I have no idea what's in these, so figured I would rip them up in this video and just take a look. More Pico. Some pretty cool holos. And those play stamps are quite nice. I don't know if these are worth anything, but they are cool. Let's see what's in pack number 2. Quite a few trainer cards, it seems. A Miraidon, Copperage, which is pretty cool. Fighting Energy is definitely the coolest one I've seen yet. And that's it. I am quite happy with those pulls, and Misty's Lapras would definitely be the favorite card that I pulled today. The Murkrow as well is pretty nice, and they seem to be in good condition, so possible grade contenders. Then we got a few EX cards, the Grimmsnarl, the Arboliva, and the Articuno. If you like this video, click this video here. Good chance that you'll like that one too. Thanks for watching.